After days of heavy rain brought on by the strong cut of low pressure system, the effects are now being felt across the country's river systems. Major dams like the Vaal, Van der Kloof and Bloemhof dams are overflowing, with multiple sluice gates open to manage the massive inflows. Water is now surging down the Vaal and Orange Rivers, raising serious flooding concerns for communities along the banks. And although we are expecting mostly calm and sunny conditions across the country this weekend, the danger is far from over. These rivers carry powerful volumes of water, and people in low-lying areas should be prepared to evacuate if needed. Now, let's have a look at this long weekend's weather forecast. Welcome to your long weekend weather forecast. On Saturday morning, foggy patches in parts of the Western Cape, the central and the eastern interior. Into the afternoon, mostly dry conditions across the country, but bergwinds quickly warming up the west, with temperatures soaring to the mid and upper 30s in some places. We can see only isolated light drizzle possible in parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga on Saturday, with light showers still possible over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. On Sunday morning, foggy patches around the Overberg and a few foggy patches over the central and eastern regions, but bergwinds now also warming up the southern coastline, with temperatures soaring to 30 degrees Celsius in this region. A few drops of rain still possible in Limpopo on Sunday, and isolated light showers over the northeastern regions of KwaZulu-Natal. Then on Monday, we have a band of fog moving in along the western coast, sitting along the western coast throughout Monday, with bergwind conditions still warming up the southern coastline and an onshore flow of air now bringing isolated light showers to parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, but becoming scattered over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Dry and sunny days still expected over the rest of the country. And that's ahead of the next strong cold front arriving in the southwestern Cape on Tuesday, with a blast of ice-cold air spreading behind this cold front throughout next week, so enjoy the sunny weather while it still lasts. We can see fresh southwesterly winds along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal on Saturday, with these northeasterly winds causing bergwind conditions blowing fresh over the western interior. The Weather Service is warning against runaway fires over parts of the Western Cape on Saturday. Then on Sunday, the winds calming down along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, northeasterly to northwesterly winds still blowing fresh over parts of the Cape provinces, and a moderate northeasterly wind now blowing along the coast of the Eastern Cape. On Monday, we have that strong cold front approaching the southwestern Cape. Ahead of the cold front, we're expecting northwesterly winds to blow fresh over the western interior, causing bergwind conditions yet again for the southern coastline, with a fresh northeasterly wind now blowing along the coast of the Eastern Cape. On Saturday morning, a cold morning over the central interior, with minimum temperatures around 8 degrees Celsius in the Free State, but comfortable to mild along the western and the eastern coastline, 18 in the morning in Springbok. Then on Saturday afternoon, we are expecting those extremely hot conditions in the west, 36 in Vredendal, 30 in the afternoon in Cape Town, temperatures in the mid-20s for the southern and the eastern coastline, and remaining quite cool over the central interior, with temperatures only in the lower 20s, 21 in the afternoon in Pretoria. On Sunday morning, another cold morning expected over the central interior, 8 in Bethlehem and Ermelo, temperatures around 18 degrees Celsius along the eastern coastline. Then on Sunday afternoon, bergwind conditions now also warming up the southern coastline, 31 in the afternoon in George, remaining extremely hot along the western coast. Temperatures a bit warmer now over the central interior, with 24 in the afternoon in Bloemfontein and Pretoria, and temperatures in the mid-20s for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. On Monday, we are expecting bergwind conditions to still warm up the southern coastline, 31 in the afternoon in Gqeberha, a bit warmer now in KwaZulu-Natal, and temperatures now reaching the mid-20s in and around Pretoria, with 25 in the afternoon in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe this weekend and enjoy the sunny weather.